In the Russian city of Nizhny Tagil, special forces detained a gamer who played Counter-Strike for the terrorists. It is not yet known exactly what crime he is charged with. This year, the team of Warthog Defense tracked the war in Ukraine and conflicts across the globe, bringing you insights and updates as events unfold. As we head into 2025, our mission remains the same: to keep you informed on the battles shaping our world. There are signs the war in Ukraine could be approaching a turning point, and with it, perhaps the hope for a lasting resolution. Let's stay vigilant and hopeful for better days ahead. In today's videos, we will make a compilation of the best videos from the past year, so enjoy and let's kick their butts in 2025. Holy. Looks like Ukraine developed a bunker buster drone to attack heavy Russian fortifications. It looks like Russian pilots have dropped a Fab 1500 bomb on a shop in Russian-occupied Yanakievo. Presumably it happened by accident, Russian media report. The bomb didn't detonate. Emergency descent is usually the term Russia uses in such cases.
Полторы тонны, да? Это полторушка. Это не 500.
In the Russian city of Nizhny Tagil, special forces detained a gamer who played Counter-Strike for the terrorists. It is not yet known exactly what crime he is charged with. The footage shows 3 law enforcers in helmets and body armor and 2 in civilian clothes running in, putting the gamer face down on the floor and fixing him in front of his astonished neighbor. He even threw down his keyboard and mouse and moved away so as not to interfere with the special operation. This Russian soldiers felt how it's like to be chased by Ukrainian drone.
Быстрее, 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 быстрее! Ебаши нахуй! Ебалась оно в рот нахуй! Ебать, разорвало зад нахуй! Разорвало зад нахуй!
Russian servicemen on Bukhanka drove over a mine live on camera in Kherson Oblast.
Пуливай! Блядь! Сука! Ты гад! Все, машине пизда. Твою мать, прям колесом на него наехал. Да какая рация? Она сдохла давно, рацию. Нам ее отдали без заряженной батареи. Нет у нас связи ни с кем. Блять. Смелый, сука, ебаный в рот. Ах, какая лучше.
We simply love this stories about Russian soldiers. Mobilized Russian soldier Alexander Leshkov, who was sentenced to 7 years imprisonment for arguing with and pushing an officer, is being further punished by being denied treatment for a broken leg. However, he still wants to fight in Ukraine. Caution, news reports on the ongoing travails of Alexander Leshkov, who was filmed berating an officer in Moscow's Patriot Park in November 2022 for the lack of training and poor equipment he and his comrades had received. Leshkov was subsequently sent to a penal colony. According to his wife, Leshkov is a keen sportsman and churchgoer. While in Penal Colony 5 in the Ivanovo region, he has been giving sports training to prisoners intending to sign contracts to go to war so that they would be in good physical shape. However, on the 28th of January, he broke his leg while playing football and suffered a fractured fibula with bone fragments. Although his leg was put in plaster by the colony's medical unit, they did not set or operate on it, and it did not heal after a month. Despite an X-ray showing that it was still broken, the medical unit has refused to operate and has instead recommended replastering it and applying poultices instead. Leshkov complains that the prison doctors cover for each other to hide inaction and medical errors. Leshkov is now reliant on crutches to walk and fears that without surgery the bone will never heal, and that he will remain reliant on crutches after his release. Despite this, he still wants to go and fight for the motherland in Ukraine. His wife says that Leshkov has repeatedly tried to sign military contracts but has been refused. He has even written to Putin and the Ministry of Defense to appeal for permission to go to war, but has received no response. It seems they are not giving the go-ahead in Moscow for him to go to war, Leshkov's wife says. My opinion is that this is for the best, but he was very upset about it. I was already calmed him down there as best I could. I said, "You will return home alive, healthy, unharmed." But he has a different view. He believes that this is his duty to his motherland, even despite how the motherland treated him.
Да. Ну, здорово.
There are all hours lying there. Russian servicemen are filming the aftermath of the meat assault and are surprised why no one is collecting the corpses. At the same time, they obediently go to where exactly the same fate awaits them. But in the end, they are already advising their friends not to go to war. We can't show the bodies, but they are everywhere. In the Kursk region, the 47th Brigade literally obliterated a Russian mechanized column with a variety of weapons. First, a Russian column hit remotely installed mines near the exit of Zeleny Shliak. In addition, Russian armored vehicles are being hit by Stugna P-ATGM systems, recorded by the 47th Mechanized Brigade. Once again, Kursk, another repelled meat assault using heavy equipment. For over 3 months, Putin's elite have been smashing against the defenses of the true Cossack elite. Out of 30 vehicles, 10 were destroyed. In recent developments, Russia's counteroffensive near Kursk has been facing severe challenges. Reports indicate significant losses as the operation encounters fierce resistance and logistical setbacks. Russian forces are straining under the pressure, prompting Moscow to seek unconventional solutions. In a surprising move, they've reached out to North Korea for military assistance, highlighting the extent of their manpower and supply issues. A Russian tank with ammunition inside exploded after it was reportedly hit by an FPV of the 10th Mountain Assault Brigade in the Siversk direction.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.